Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on Java. Today's tutorial I'm going to continue my discussion on Java Collections Framework. Today I'm going to talk about set. So what is a set? A set is a collection that cannot contain duplicate elements. The set interface contains only methods inherited from collection and adds the restriction that duplicate elements are prohibited. So what is the difference between a set and a list? A list can contain duplicate elements. On the other hand, the set cannot contain duplicate elements, and of course both of them are the part of the collections framework. So a set is an interface, and the implementations of set can be as follows: hash set, tree set, and linked hash set. So all of these three implementation classes do have different algorithms to implement. So let's talk about those. So hash set, which stores its elements in a hash table, is the best performing implementation. However, it makes no guarantees concerning the order of iteration. On the other hand, the tree set, which stores its elements in a red-black tree, orders its elements based on their values. It is substantially slower than the hash set. So the order is maintained here, but the performance is very slower compared to the hash set. And then the linked hash set, which is implemented as a hash table with a linked list running through it, orders its elements based on the order in which they were inserted into the set, and the algorithm that is being used is the insertion order. Okay, so this set framework or this set is coming along with a bunch of useful methods that we can use to create sets, to add sets, to add elements to the set, or to iterate or manipulate the elements within the set. So let's now look into those. I have created a class. This class is to show the examples on the set, and the first method in here I have created is the create set method. And you can see that here I have made this statement set A. So this is the interface and this is the reference, and then we are implementing a new hash set. Okay, so if you would like to use the linked hash set, you have to just write new linked hash set. So it's up to you, whichever you want, but this is the general statement. Okay, so once we have created the set, and then we can add elements because this set is now an empty set, and with that we are going to add these three elements, and the set has the add method which allows you to add elements to the set. So now when we write this, or when we complete this set reference is pointing to a hash set which has three elements in it. Okay, the next thing I would like to show you the iteration thing, and if we look into that, so we can manipulate the set elements, or we can navigate through the set elements using the iterator. So this iterator method can be used, and it checks like if there is any element within the set. If it is true, then it's going to print the element with iteration dot next. Okay, so now let's run it. And you can see that these three are printed. Okay, so now there are a few other methods to manipulate the set, and we are going to see another one. So we can use the simple loop method, and you can see that here I have used the create set method to get all the sets that I have, all the elements that I have added to the set, which is element A, element B, and element C. And then I am iterating the elements using just the for loop, and this is how it is doing. We are expecting a string object, and then this is the reference, and this is my set, and then I'm just going to print it here. So now let's see, let me just print it, and let's run it again. and you can see that these three are printed using the for loop. Okay, so after Java 8 we have or since Java 8 we have the Java Stream available, and this is how we can navigate, or we can manipulate, or we can iterate through the set. Okay, so we have got all the elements within the set, and then we are calling the stream. Okay, stream class, and then we are just going to print stream.forEach, and then we are printing it. Okay, so now let's run it. And you can see that these three are printed again using the Java Stream method. Okay, so now we have seen that how to add elements to a set. Now we need to see how we can remove element from the set. So again, I have I got the set invoking the create set method here that I have created, and I showed you in the first time. And then I'm just going to remove the middle element, which is the element B. Okay, and I'm invoking the remove method that is coming along with my set. Okay, so now if I'm removing it, element remove element B, and then I'm using the stream class to Java Stream to print the elements within the set. So now let's run it again, and you can see that the middle element is removed, and you don't see the element B here. Okay, there is another method that is called the add all, and in the list we also have it. So let's see what is that. You can see that I have got the old set, and I have created a new empty new set, and I am just adding what? I'm just adding new set dot add all from the old set. That means the new set was empty, and then I'm just adding the old set values to the new set values. Okay, and I'm going to print the new set dot size. Okay, and so there is another method that is called the size that we can invoke from the set method in order to get that what is the size of the set. And the size actually tells like how many elements are there in the set. And there is another one is called the isEmpty method. So the isEmpty can tell you that whether the set is empty or not. Okay, so if you invoke the isEmpty method on this, you'll get the isEmpty is true. That means the set is empty. Okay, so now let's run it. This method, and you can see that the size of set is 3. Size of set is 3 because why? Because we have used the add all method to copy or to add all the elements from the old set to the new set, and the new set size is now 3. And then set is empty. Is it true or false? This is false because we have added all the elements from the old set to the new set using the add all method, and that's why this is not empty. Okay, so these are the three methods: size, is empty, and add all that we have seen from this method. Okay, so now we can convert a set to a list, and this is also very important. Let's say you'd like to convert the set to a list, and how do we do that? This is also simple. So we got the set, and then we have created a list, and this list is empty, and then we just are adding list.addAll old set. Okay, so remember that this old set is referencing to a set, like it's a hash set, and we are adding that to a list. Okay, and then we are printing the value of the list. You can see the value of the list using the Java Stream. So now let's run it. and you can see that this is printed C, B, and A. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.